Hey guys, Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in St. Pete. Today I have the privilege of showing you our 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. This one in particular is powered by our Mercury 300 V8. Tried and true, very quiet but powerful at the same time. The notorious sun pad on the Sea Ray, extremely large, tons of storage, very comfortable for you and your guests. Very spacious swim platform, an entry on our way to the cockpit. Beautiful U-shaped seating, great stitching. Sea Ray did an awesome job on this boat. Tons of shade, as you can see on this Bimini and Sports Tower. Well integrated dash with our twin Simrad displays, all our switching for our captain's needs. Very spacious bathroom. Again, this is our stone interior with our gray sea deck flooring. Gives the boat a really nice look. On our way up here to the bow, again, I'm going to say the word spacious because that's what describes this boat very well. Tons of space for you and your guests. Yacht certified boat, plenty of room, plenty of storage for everybody. You guys really need to come check this thing out. Again, it's available here at MarineMax in St. Pete. My name is Justin Johnson. We'll see you on the water.